Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a heat map on your Hotjar account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a heat map anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business with websites, you know that tracking your user behavior can help guide future website decisions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hotjar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to install and set up a heat map, first you're going to click up here on the top left and choose the website you're going to be working on. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already installed Hotjar on your website with their tracking code. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you already have it installed. And to set up a heat map here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here, heat maps. Okay, so I've already installed a heat map on the homepage of this website. So if we scroll down, you can see the activity. So you can also change the type of heat map. So we'll click on move, and you can see the heat map right here. So you can see where people are putting their mouse, and then what they're clicking on, where they're scrolling from, just a lot of different information. So I'm going to go ahead and set up another heat map. So what you want to do is click here on the plus new heat map. Okay, here you want to go ahead and enter in the URL of the page that you want to install the heat map. So I'm going to go ahead and add this page. Now, if you want to change this, you can drop down menu here, and then you can say URL is exactly this, contains, starts with, ends with. So I'm going to do exactly. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so you can choose the type of heat map. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, for some reason, the screenshot doesn't load all the time. Don't worry about that, because once users start coming in, it's still going to log the data. So click on skip. Okay, now it's processed. So now what we can do is we have this heat map right here and this heat map right here. So this looks pretty good. So you want to go ahead and click on save, and then you're going to name this. So this is my contact page on my website, and I want to click save. Okay, now here on the left are my two heat maps. So if I want to check the data for my homepage, I can come here. And if I want to check the data for my contact page, I can come here. So now as users start to log into this website, this heat map's going to show up. So you can come back in here and check the data. So for example, we can do this one. It just shows where they started to scroll and how far down they scrolled, engagement zones, rage clicks. And if you need more information on what the information is included in each one of these heat maps, you can click on this little I button, and it lets you know right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a heat map using your Hotjar account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.